Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I wanted to show this outdoor audio system that we put in Fairview, Texas. We have 4 different zones of distributed audio that he can control through a Sonos app. If you look, our first zone is the TV watching area right here, where there's 4 in-ceiling episode weatherproof speakers, and we have that tied into a Sonos Connect on the back of the TV and Sonos Connect amp so that he can select either the TV audio or he can have the game going separate from like music. And then over here by the grill area, we have 4 more weatherproof episode in-ceiling 8-inch speakers. And then our third zone, so you got zone 1, zone 2, all independently controllable with separate volume through the app. And then right here, this is our third zone. We have some outdoor speakers that are firing out towards the outside of the pool. And then over here, we have a couple more, which is tied into the same zone. So this is all zone 3. And then for our last and final zone, zone 4, we put rock speakers out here by the fire pit and the garden beds, if you can see them, 1 and 2. And then a couple more speakers out here under the patio, which fire down towards the hot tub. I love doing as many speakers as possible in outdoor spaces. The audio escapes, and you really need a lot of power to give good equal coverage throughout the space, so you're not just blaring one particular zone and then having to scream at your guest. It gives you a really well spread, even experience, which is great for entertaining. If you guys would like us to do something like this for you, we'd be happy to. We do service the Dallas area and can ship you these products nationwide with free shipping. Make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email with questions, subscribe down below, like and comment. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.